Hi Andy, it's Ben Hopkins from Classic Muskoka Homes, and I'm just going to put together a little slideshow here of the problem with the deck where it meets the lakeside wall of the cottage. There is rot. The problem is caused by improper flashing and waterproofing at the interface, and the siding being too close to the deck. Here I'm pulling away wall sheathing and the fiberglass insulation from between the studs from the exterior of the building. That material has got to be replaced, and the deck ledger should be reattached with new structure in place. In this image that you can see, there's insulation from both the floor system and the wall system visible, so the rot's considerable. There are carpenter ants. They have chewed up quite a lot of the siding that is installed right at the level of the deck and turned it into a pulpy mess. It's a rotted, pulpy mess that is actually supporting the growth of some green shoots of some kind. So in the image here, in this clip here, I'm just using a vacuum to remove wall sheathing that's rotted from behind the waterproofing membrane that was put in place but is of substandard quality. At the interior of the crawl space wall, there's fungal growth as a result of the water getting in at the deck interface with the exterior wall, and floor joists have rotted, mildewed, and are settling below their support, so they're not supporting the exterior wall sufficiently. That is the cause of the settling cracks that you see in the gypsum wallboard finish in the photos that you can see now. This settling is visible all along the lakeside wall of the cottage.